for my daughter who went home because she's still little and it's a little too late. When you fall apart like gunshot feathers in the wind, and your broken heart beneath your bones weighs so heavy, heavy it's a sin. When your tired eyes start to cry, well up so heavy from all of that pain, go on and let your poor heart cry like heaven's pouring rain. When that morning light steals the night, makes you wanna close the curtain like you just lost a fight, body bruised and hurting. Only one thing left in this place is certain, and that's that you got no voice left to pray. Don't it feel like the good Lord forgot your name? Go on and hold your eyes, don't lie, let it cry, let it cry, let it cry like heaven's pouring rain, like heaven's pouring rain. Knuckles turning red, storms are overhead, still you're holding on, waiting for the dawn. Believe me, little child, some things you can't hide, some beasts can't be tamed. Go on, stand and deliver, cry me a river, cry me a river like heaven, like heaven, like heaven's pouring rain. When you start to worry and your hands just shake and twitch, living in a hurry, digging with a fury until you're standing in a ditch. Don't you know if I could I would, if I could I would just take all of your fears, try to live in one world where you ain't gotta have yourself no tears. But that's not my power, and it's my own fault. It's like a spring flower, fed a spoon of salt. So go on, don't hide your eyes, don't hide your pain. Stand up and own your shame. Say, stand and deliver, cry me a river like heaven's pouring rain, heaven's pouring rain. Gonna stand and deliver, cry me a river, cry me a river like heaven's pouring rain. Stand and deliver, cry me a river like heaven's pouring.